Hey Algo traders, what if I told you that there's a strategy that doesn't just survive the wild swings of crypto, but actually thrives on them? Most traders panic when the market dips, but today I'm revealing a 5-minute DCA strategy that might turn those dips into opportunities. It's called New Strategy for DCA and is packed with powerful entry signals, adaptive DCA logic and robust risk management. If you're curious how it works, then stick around because you don't want to miss this. This strategy seems to be inspired by some of the best in the business, like the nostalgia for Infinity and BinH trading algorithms. It is designed for the 5-minute time frame and looks to be built to handle the chaos of crypto volatility. I've spent some time to analyze this algorithm, and in this video I'm sharing you the possibilities of this trading strategy. You can think of this strategy as a Swiss Army knife for trading. It does not rely on just one signal or indicator, but instead it combines multiple entry type breakouts, mean reversion, support bounces and trend confirmations. The goal of this strategy is to catch the best moves, avoid false signals and recover gracefully when trades go against you. This is not my strategy, so all credits go to the original developers of this script. Now, about the strategy itself, it uses the 5-minute time frame and multiple indicators for the entry and exit rules, like EMA, SMA, VWAP, Bollinger Bands and RSI, to mention a few. And if you browse through the code, you will find multiple indicators at the top of the script in the hyperops section here. The strategy has multiple entry types, and let me walk through a typical entry here, because this strategy has segmented the entries into categories like dip signal, break signal, clock HWA and more, and each has its own logic. For example here, the break signal looks for a big move in Bollinger Bands, a strong price delta and confirmation from other indicators. And each entry type looks to be meticulously crafted to trigger only when the odds are in your favor. Exits are also important, and maybe in my opinion more important than the entries. The strategy uses a combination of indicator-based exits, custom stop-loss logic and the trading profit targets. By default, each strategy has stop-loss and take-profit levels as mandatory parameters, but here they are set to their extremes and effectively disabling them. So the real exit logic comes from the custom rules. As I said, the strategy is optimized for the 5-minute chart, but it pulls the 1-hour data for confirmation. And this means that you get the best of both worlds, fast entries but with higher time frame context. Now, this is all fine, but let's talk results, because the numbers don't lie. When I ran this strategy through a rigorous backtest, here is what I found. The win rate is 91% and the max drawdown is 13%. The profit factor is 2.55, so for every dollar risked, we make $2.55, hypothetically of course. Now 97% of the tested pairs were profitable, which is also a very good sign in my opinion. The equity curve is smooth with a strong recovery after some minor dips, and in some periods the strategy stays a little bit flat and dormant, but this is also a good sign because the strategy is not making any mistakes by overtrading. One of my go-to plots of a strategy is the trade entry and exit breakdown, because these pie charts tell us which entry types are most common and also which exit types are the most common too. And it looks like the VWAP and clock HA are the most common entry types, and the exit signal 1 is the most common exit type. Now, compared with the top 10 strategies from the strategy leak, this one might seem to be not the highest gainer. But then again, its usability on the pairs and the profit factor, which is the highest of all by the way, are also very important. And the strategy apparently isn't about chasing the highest gain, but it's more about surviving the tough times and compounding over the long run. So this is not a magic bullet, but it could be a systematic approach that can help you survive and even thrive during crypto volatility. If you found this breakdown helpful, then hit that like button and subscribe for more trading strategies that I will present in the future. Remember that all my backtest output, the full report and the original strategy code are available on Patreon, because I want you to be able to verify everything yourself. I also have written a book for beginners to help you get started with algorithmic trading crypto, and it's available on Amazon. For now, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!